case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard Blair v. Equifax Check Services, Inc., a case centering on the rules for appealing decisions on class action judicial status. The court was tasked with exercising its discretion to either grant or deny an appeal in circumstances where class status was rejected, a situation known as death knell cases. As the stakes hinged on the denial of class status sounding the death knell of the litigation, the unfolding courtroom drama pitted Equifax against plaintiffs Blair and Wilbon. Embattled in a class action lawsuit, Equifax stood accused of violating the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Wishing to contest the district court judge's decision to certify the case as a class action, Equifax desired to appeal this ruling. Countering this move, Blair and Wilbon argued that Equifax's request to appeal was untimely, charging that it had been submitted beyond the 10-day limit. However, in a twist, the court greenlit Equifax's appeal, placing it under an interlocutory appeals category due to relevant circumstances. The court reasoned that if another case, Crawford, effectively outlawed class actions, it would consequently necessitate the decertification of the Blair class. Yet they felt that until the Crawford case was decided, Judge Plunkett was justified in maintaining the Blair class. The court affirmed that Plunkett was within his rights to keep Blair as a class action until there was conclusive judgment in the Crawford case. Circuit Judge Easterbrook explained the recent introduction of a Supreme Court rule allowing appeals from orders granting or denying class action certification. This case was the first application filed under the new rule, and the Court of Appeals had freedom in deciding whether to agree to hear the appeal based on various factors. Finally, the Court of Appeals came down on the side of Judge Plunkett, ruling that his decision to handle Blair as a class action did not constitute an overstep of his discretion until Crawford reached a final judgment. As a result, the court expedited a decision and decided that the Blair class could remain until a conclusion was reached in Crawford. The district court's decision was consequently affirmed, marking a significant precedent in the handling of class action certifications.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.